Well, here I am in my Claytor hammock. I'm on a week-long Boy Scout trip, fourth day. It's been raining now for probably about 12 hours. And there's all the Boy Scout tents. I'm just sitting here in my hammock, enjoying the weather right now. Doing a little reading, just relaxing. And as you can tell, I'm just as dry as can be. It rained all night long, supposed to rain all day. And I'm just very dry, no problems at all. Just sitting here watching out the lake. Excellent product. Mosquito hammock.com. Very, very happy with it. And I think they're going to get some more customers. People have been very impressed, the ones that have laid in it. They really like the quality in this product. So thank you again. Great product.